It sounds like Halloween. 4 sounds. It's Halloween night, and it's time to trick or treat. But do you hear those noises coming from the street? Could that be a werewolf, howling in the dark? No, it's just a puppy practicing his bark. Could there be a vampire hiding behind that creaky door? No, it's a family giving candy to kids who asked for more. Is that a ghost out haunting, all invisible and slow? No, it's just the wind whooshing past where the jack-o'-lanterns glow. Where's that music coming from? Are there monsters on the way? No, it's a dance party. These guys and ghouls know how to sway. Don't shrink away from distant howls or wind that can't be seen. Spooky sounds help us celebrate and say, Happy Halloween. The end.